Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start a meeting that you have scheduled on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your homepage and then tap on this My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on this Meetings button in the left side column in the Personal section. Tap on Upcoming and tap on the meeting that you have already scheduled. Here you can see the relevant details. If you want to change anything, just tap on the Edit button down below and change the information. But if you are satisfied and like to start it, tap on the Start button. Tap on Allow and click on Launch Meeting, and then your meeting will be launched. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.